É o brabo da putaria.
Speak up though. Go.
Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. It wasn't that. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. We had a little bit of a hiccup okay, buddy.
Oh, my fault,
right?
my fault.
Thank you. We had a little bit of a hiccup today because I danced yesterday until 11 p.m. So I went to sleep late and we didn't wake up this morning. But we're here now. And it's like 3 or 4 p.m. or something. 4. And we're hitting, what is it?
Back and by.
Back and by. I said it was me. What's wrong with you? We're hitting back and by. You. What happens if I go here? Oh, okay. That's it. We just about to hit his workout. Oh shit.
Do I look better?
Yeah, you always look good.
Alright. Eyes up here, buddy.
I can't, I'm sorry.
Hit
It's
that
like
shit.
clouding my judgment.
Huh?
No, 10 plus reps.
Guys, she stops at 10 reps
I do.
instead of pushing herself to
Because I know when
failure.
Yeah, I do. And then when you go up, you can't do more than 1 rep. Like,
É o brabo da putaria.
Morning. I already know it's Monday. What does that mean? Push day, baby. We're actually finishing up. I didn't have much time to record. I woke up late, so I got here like at 6:20, and I need to be home by like 7:45, 7:20. So doing our last 2 sets. Actually, no, not sets. Last 2 workouts. Doing triceps for both of them. Another thing, I woke up late so on Sundays I run out of meal prep, so I went to Chipotle for double protein burrito, light rice, and y'all know what I'm talking about. She said all we have is black beans. What was I supposed to do? And their queso.
the room smelled like shit for like 2 hours.
Relax. And then I started throwing up while I was sleeping.
No, you didn't.
I did. That's what. And then so the throw up was like in my nose. You know how sometimes it just goes up to your nose. And then I started bleeding.
Why did you say you were throwing
And then I
up?
started bleeding.
That I knew about.
Huh?
That I knew about. Why did you say you were throwing up? What the heck?
So then I had to take like 3 shits in the middle of the night.
I don't
And
even
then
know
this one
when.
turned off all my alarms. And
I
she said,
didn't.
I didn't turn them up. The phone was next to her, bro.
I don't know how the phone got there. Like, I swear to God.
Like, the phone was next to her.
He skipped me.
You hit 3, I hit 4.
Why? Just because I'm a woman, you think I'm weaker?
No, it's because you're black.
This is going on the vlog.
Damn, he's cute.
I know, right? He is cute. You smile more. Oh, I'm cuter. What the heck? Oh shit, the workout. This way? Anyways.
What?
How do I get it to like focus? Focus.
How was your week last week? What the fuck? Chat, I told her to stimulate her triceps. Look at what she's saying.
Hi buddy, how are you? Wake up, it's time. I just have to show her my tits and I'll be
She just has to. I said get her tricep horny. She's talking to it like it's me, chat. I need to get more comfortable vlogging like this because I don't have my cameraman at Manny_Alta. No, it's Manny Alta 25 on IG. What? Guys, follow me on IG, Luigi_Alta.
I'm gonna start recording it so the cameraman can come all the way over here.
Guys, did I need braces? I think
yes,
did.
you need braces.
But my free Medicaid insurance didn't cover it.
Brabo da putaria.